Hey everyone, and welcome back to Viral Find Spot. I'm your host, Chris, and as always, I'm here with the amazing Megan.
Hi, Chris, and hello to all our incredible listeners and viewers out there. Ready to uncover another internet sensation?
Absolutely. You know we're all about finding those products that everyone's talking about, the ones that are popping up all over your social media feeds. And today we're tackling a skincare superstar that has been consistently making waves, glycolic acid.
Ooh, glycolic acid. I've definitely been seeing that name everywhere. It feels like every other skincare product I look at boasts about containing it. So Chris, let's get right to it. What's the magic of glycolic acid?
That's exactly what we're here to find out, Megan. Did you know that searches for glycolic acid benefits have skyrocketed by over 200% in the last year alone? It's clear people are curious. And for good reason. Or maybe the question we should be asking is, did you know that glycolic acid can potentially transform your skin in just a few weeks? We're going to dive deep and see if it truly lives up to the hype. So for anyone who might be new to the skincare game, let's break it down. Glycolic acid is often touted as a key ingredient, but what exactly is it and why should our viewers even care?
Great question, Chris. Simply put, glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid, or AHA. Think of it as a tiny superhero for your skin. It's derived from sugarcane and is known for its incredible exfoliating properties. And why should you care? Because it can address a whole range of skin concerns, leading to a smoother, brighter, and more even complexion. It's a real workhorse ingredient.
A superhero, huh? I like that, but let's get specific. What kind of villains is this superhero fighting? What are the common skin concerns that lead people to search for solutions like glycolic acid?
Well, Chris, think about it. How many people do we know, or even ourselves, struggle with things like persistent acne that just won't go away? Or that rough, uneven skin texture that makes makeup application a nightmare? Then there's hyperpigmentation. Those pesky dark spots left behind by breakouts or sun damage. And let's not forget the signs of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles, which are a natural part of life, but something many people want to minimize.
Absolutely. I think almost everyone can relate to at least one of those issues, and it's more than just skin deep, right? When you're constantly battling breakouts or feeling self-conscious about uneven skin tone, it can really impact your confidence and self-esteem. You might find yourself avoiding social situations or spending extra time and money trying to cover things up.
Exactly. And that's where the appeal of ingredients like glycolic acid comes in. People are searching for effective solutions that can actually make a visible difference, not just temporary fixes. They want to feel good in their own skin, and that's a completely valid desire.
So, Megan, you mentioned that glycolic acid is an exfoliant. Can you explain a little more about how it actually works its magic on these skin concerns? What's the science behind it?
Absolutely. Glycolic acid has a very small molecular size, which allows it to penetrate the outer layer of the skin more effectively. Once it's in there, it works by breaking the bonds between dead skin cells. Think of it as gently dissolving the glue that holds those dull surface cells together. This process is called exfoliation.
Okay, that makes sense. So by shedding those dead skin cells, what are the immediate and longer-term benefits?
Well, immediately you might notice your skin looking and feeling smoother. That rough texture starts to improve. Over time, with consistent use, this exfoliation process has a number of fantastic benefits. It helps to unclog pores, which can prevent acne breakouts. It also speeds up cell turnover, bringing fresh, new skin cells to the surface. This can help to fade hyperpigmentation, even out skin tone, and even minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by stimulating collagen production.
Wow, that sounds pretty impressive. You also mentioned it's an AHA and derived from sugarcane. Are there other types of AHAs? And what makes glycolic acid stand out?
Yes, there are other AHAs like lactic acid, malic acid, and citric acid. They all work in a similar way to exfoliate the skin, but glycolic acid is often considered one of the most potent due to its small molecular size, allowing for deeper penetration. Lactic acid, for example, has a slightly larger molecule and is often considered gentler. The choice between them often comes down to individual skin sensitivity and specific concerns. But for overall effectiveness in exfoliation and addressing multiple issues, glycolic acid is a real powerhouse.
Okay, Megan, we've heard about the science and the potential benefits, but I think what our viewers really want to know is, does it actually work? Do we have any real-life examples of the transformative effects of glycolic acid?
Absolutely, Chris. And this is where it gets really exciting. I recently came across a testimonial from someone named Sarah, who had been struggling with persistent hormonal acne and the dark spots it left behind for years. She tried countless products with little success. Finally, on the recommendation of a dermatologist, she incorporated a low-percentage glycolic acid toner into her nightly routine.
And what happened? Don't leave us hanging.
Well, within just a few weeks, she started to see a significant improvement. Her active breakouts became less frequent and less severe. But the real magic happened with her hyperpigmentation. Over a couple of months, those stubborn dark spots started to fade dramatically. She even shared before and after photos online, and the difference was incredible. Her skin looked brighter, smoother, and so much more even-toned. She said it completely transformed her confidence. Stories like Sarah's are a testament to the power of glycolic acid when used correctly.
That's amazing. It's always so inspiring to hear about real people experiencing positive results. And I think that really highlights why glycolic acid has become such a viral find, because it delivers on its promises for many people.
Exactly, Chris. So to recap, glycolic acid is a potent AHA that works by exfoliating the skin, helping to combat acne, improve texture, fade hyperpigmentation, and even reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's a versatile ingredient that can be a game changer for achieving smoother, brighter, and healthier looking skin.
It sounds like a must-have in any serious skincare routine.
Absolutely. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you tried glycolic acid? What have your experiences been? Share your thoughts and any tips you have in the comments below. And if you're curious about other skincare ingredients that are making waves online, make sure to check out our other videos right here on Viral Finds Pod. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more viral finds. Oh my gosh, Chris, did you see the face I made when you said skin superhero? I looked like I was questioning my entire existence.
I did see that, Megan. It was priceless. I was trying so hard to keep a straight face talking about dissolving glue between skin cells, and you looked utterly bewildered.
Well, the visual in my head was just intense, like tiny little Pac-Mans munching away at dead skin.
See, that's the beauty of our podcast, Megan. We bring the science to life, sometimes in unintentionally hilarious ways.
Exactly. And speaking of science, did I accidentally call alpha hydroxy acids alphabet soup acids earlier? I think I might have. My brain sometimes takes detours.
You might have, but hey, who hasn't gotten their AHAs and alphabet soup mixed up? It's all good fun. Thanks for sticking with us through the science and the silliness, everyone.
Yes, thanks for tuning in, and maybe next time we'll have a blooper reel of all our skincare-related mishaps.